Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this high keys wireless keyboard that I got sent out for review, and this is the brand DURGOD, and let's see what it's included. Wow, this is a very nice keyboard. Let me show it to you. It is a bit heavy. This is how it looks. As you can see, it has high keys. Okay, and it also has USB-C port right here, and also has these two parts so you can put it a little bit higher or just flat. It also has these two non-slip parts right here, in this part and right here. I love that design. I love the color in white. It also has this part right here, Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2 and 2.4G. Okay, and you can switch in between those. It comes also with this USB-C cable in white as well. It has the brand printed on it, and it has the user manual. This is a wireless mechanical keyboard, and I did want to get one of these because it feels better when you are actually using one of these. So I am going to be using it a lot. Okay, so here is the keyboard, and now as you can see here, you can actually turn it, connect it to the power outlet when you want to charge it. Here I'm just connecting the cable that it came with it, and to turn it on, you have this right here, this button, and this you just push it down and it turns yellow, and you push it up and it turns white. When you push it down and it starts blinking, and you have it in Bluetooth right here. Yes, so this way you can actually connect it to the computer or iPad that you want to pair it. So I'm gonna select the iPad and I'm gonna choose Bluetooth. So now it is displaying Bluetooth pairing request. High keys will like to pair with your iPad, and you have to enter the code that it says here. I'm gonna enter the code, which is this one. Okay, and I am going to type enter right here, and it seems that it is actually paired now. It says connected. Now let's test it. I'm going to try this. Test these high notes keyboard. And you can see how it is working out. And actually you can pair this keyboard with your iPad or your tablet or even with your laptop. Also, there's a manual of instructions where you can actually find some more keys and some more shortcuts that you can use. So for example, here it says shortcuts, and it's to turn on or off the lighting. You just press function and F1. So let's try that out. Right now, as you can see, the light is turned on the keyboard. So let's see what happens when I press F function and F1. Okay, function and F1. Okay, see the light turned off. Function F2. So okay, Pretty cool, huh? And it says decrease effect brightness. You can actually turn down or up the brightness, and also decrease the speed and increase the speed. So all of these are like shortcuts that you can use with function. Also, you have a wheel mode lighting. You have different lighting modes. This is, I think this is the wave mode. Let's do another one. Let's do function 2. So this is different. And also you can pair it through another Bluetooth right here. It says Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, or also 2.4G. You can also connect it through a Bluetooth with this USB that has right here, and you just push these, and it has this USB that you can plug into your computer if this is easier for you. And this was kind of a hidden feature that I hadn't discovered until a few moments ago. So this is how you can actually access to this one and cover it up right here really well. I actually think that this is a pretty neat keyboard, and I am going to keep using it a lot. I'm really glad that I got sent out this one for review because I am loving it. I love all the light effects that it has, and I love how it feels. It is really smooth. The keys are super smooth. It makes it like different to work with it.